There's something happening to small YouTube channels right now, and most creators never notice it. Their videos are good, their thumbnails are decent, they're uploading consistently, and yet the views never come. Not because the algorithm hates them, not because YouTube is saturated, but because they're unknowingly making a handful of small mistakes that quietly destroy their channel before it even has a chance to grow. Mistakes hidden inside their content, their settings, and even the way they upload videos. And the scary part? Most creators repeat these mistakes for months, sometimes years, without realizing it. A money stick, and earlier this week main channel walked into my office, which is basically a whiteboard, a marker, and a chair made for a stick figure, and asked one simple question: why do so many YouTube channels work hard and still never grow? So I spent the next few days digging through hundreds of small channels, studying their uploads, their settings, their analytics, and I found 21 specific mistakes that quietly kill small YouTube channels. Let's go through them. Number 1, your videos start too slowly. The first 10 seconds of your video are the most important seconds on YouTube. If a viewer clicks and nothing interesting happens immediately, they leave. And when enough viewers leave early, YouTube assumes the video isn't worth recommending. Your video should start with curiosity, tension, or a clear promise of value, not a slow intro. Number 2, your thumbnail and title don't work together. Many creators treat titles and thumbnails like separate things, but on YouTube they are a team. The thumbnail should spark curiosity. The title should complete the curiosity. If both say the same thing, the viewer has no reason to click. Number 3, your niche is unclear. If someone watches 3 of your videos and still can't explain what your channel is about, YouTube can't either. And when YouTube doesn't understand your channel, it doesn't know who to recommend it to. Clear niche equals clearer audience equals better distribution. Number 4, you're copying big creators too closely. Big creators can upload almost anything and still get views. Small creators cannot. When small channels copy large channels exactly, they compete directly with people who already dominate the audience. Instead of copying them, find a specific angle they aren't covering. Number 5, your titles are too predictable. Predictable titles disappear in the feed. Curiosity titles get clicks. Compare these two. YouTube tips for beginners versus the 3 YouTube mistakes that destroy new channels. One informs, the other creates a question in the viewer's mind. Number 6, your thumbnails are too complicated. Most viewers see your thumbnail for less than half a second. If the idea isn't instantly clear, it gets ignored. The best thumbnails usually contain one idea, one emotion, one focal point. Simple wins. Number 7, you upload randomly. YouTube prefers predictable creators. When your uploads appear randomly, your audience doesn't build the habit of returning. Consistency trains both viewers and the algorithm. Number 8, you talk to everyone instead of someone. Many creators say, this video is for everyone, but content for everyone usually reaches no one. Speak directly to a specific type of viewer. The more specific your audience is, the easier YouTube can find them. Number 9, your videos have no story structure. Even informational videos need structure. The best videos usually follow this pattern. Hook, problem, curiosity, solution, payoff. Without structure, viewers lose interest halfway through. Number 10, you ignore viewer psychology. Viewers stay for emotion, not information. Curiosity, surprise, suspense, relatability. Channels that understand psychology outperform channels that only focus on facts. Number 11, you don't study your analytics. YouTube analytics literally tells you when viewers leave, which videos perform best, what topics people love. But many creators upload videos and never look at the data. Analytics is your feedback system. Number 12, your videos are trying to do too much. Many creators pack 10 ideas into one video. That confuses viewers. The best videos usually revolve around one clear idea, one promise, one takeaway. Number 13, you give value too late. If the viewer waits too long for the promised information, they leave. Give value early, then expand on it. Number 14, you ignore retention. Watch time isn't just about video length. It's about how long viewers stay interested. Every moment in the video should give the viewer a reason to continue watching. Number 15, your channel page is empty. Many small channels never optimize their channel page. No banner, no channel trailer, no organized playlists. Your channel page should quickly tell a visitor what you post, who it's for, why they should subscribe. Number 16, you quit too early. This is one of the biggest killers of YouTube channels. Most creators stop uploading right before things start working. The first 50 to 100 videos are often just practice. Persistence beats talent on YouTube. Number 17, you ignore searchable content. Not every video should rely on the algorithm. Some videos should target YouTube search. These are videos people are already looking for. They can bring steady views for years. Number 18. You chase trends blindly. Trending topics can bring views, but if they don't match your channel niche, those viewers won't stay. Trend plus relevance is powerful. Trend alone is not. Number 19. Your videos look the same. If every video feels identical, viewers lose curiosity. Small experiments keep your content fresh. Different formats, different angles, different storytelling styles. Number 20. You focus on subscribers instead of viewers. Subscribers don't grow channels. Good videos do. Focus on making videos that strangers want to click and watch. Subscribers follow naturally. Number 21. You treat YouTube like a hobby instead of a system. Successful channels treat YouTube like a repeatable system. Idea, thumbnail, title, hook, story, retention. When each part improves slightly, the entire channel grows faster. So before your next upload, look through these 21 mistakes. Fix the small ones first, because on YouTube, small improvements compound quickly. And the difference between a channel that struggles and a channel that grows is often just a handful of adjustments. Now, if you want to understand why 99% of new YouTubers fail before reaching 1,000 subscribers, check out the video right here. It might completely change how you approach YouTube. I'll see you there, and tell me in the comments, which of these 21 mistakes surprised you the most?